I am challenging myself to make a game in Unreal Engine in just 12 hours. This statement seems very absurd, and it is absurd in certain way because Unreal Engine is used to build AAA games by bigger studios, very big studios, which has almost like hundreds of developers, thousands of developers working on a single game for years to build a game. So when I say that I'm gonna build a game, it doesn't mean that I'm gonna build a feature complete game. So what am I even doing with Unreal Engine? So here's my goal. So I want to build something playable. That's the appropriate goal, or that's the appropriate title for the video. So I need to build something playable in just 12 hours. Well, will I actually make it? Well, we are about to find that out. So I'm thinking to go ahead with third-person shooter to begin with, and of course the game can be improved later after this challenge. Currently speaking, the time is running out, so I gotta pick something and go ahead with the idea. First-person shooter, done. I opened my Unreal Engine, which I didn't open for almost a year. I created a new project, quickly compiled it using Visual Studio, and opened the Unreal Engine editor. Quickly created the test level, created a basic character using Unreal Engine Mannequin. Well, I took a very long lunch break. I started creating a basic movement for the character, and making the third person camera to behave as I want is pain in the butt. After fixing so many random bugs, more than what I expected that I would face, I can finally see my character moving properly. Currently, the character looks as if it is bought straight up from the shopping mall. So, logical next step would be adding some animations. After some coding and using vector mathematics, we finally has an anim instance class, and I quickly created a blend state and did some noodling around, and finally movement animations are working. Now I need to add fire functionality to the gun, which is my first biggest roadblock. The problem here is my run animations are interfering with my firing animations, and it doesn't look absolutely good. Did some playing around and used layer blend per bone, with which we can basically make certain bones of the body respond to certain animations. So after messing around with layer blend per bone, I finally achieved what I wanted with a small issue. See, the hands are moving towards right while shooting. This is due to additive nature of the montages on top of run animation, which I later fixed using Blender. The animation part wasted a lot of time. It's almost 9 p.m. and I didn't even finish basic things. So I had a cup of coffee and used my hyper focus to do as much as work before the time runs out. I added a new aim feature where character aims and added aim animations too. While aiming, character will slow down. After a long session of coding and adding animation, this part is done too. Well, currently shooting looks kind of fake. So I had to spice things up. So I added muzzle flash, bullet trails, and collision effects. And finally, shooting looked something like this. It's almost 10:30. I think I need to add a level and see how it looks. I imported level from Fab and placed my character in it, and this is how it actually looks. And that brings me to the end of the day. Calling it a game would be an overstatement, but I am proud of what I did in one day. Hope it inspires many people to start their game development journey and see that game development can be fun.